To make a robot, you will need a rubber band, an empty AA battery, a paper cup, scotch tape, and scissors. Tape the rubber band to an empty battery on both sides. The paper cup on one side and the other side. To create two tabs, hook the rubber band on the tabs. Then fold down to secure the rubber band with tape. If the battery sticks out from the bottom of the cup, it's ready to go. If the battery is deep inside of the cup, trim the rim of your cup. If you like, you may add some designs on your robot. Here is Mila's design that she created. Mila, what's your design?
My design is a dog and her name is Ziggy.
Hi, Ziggy. Now let's try together. You can spin the battery around and around and around. Mila is going to spin 5 times and then let go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And let go. How far does your robot go? Can you measure it with a ruler? How about if you spin the battery 10 times? Would it go farther than when you spin 5 times? Would it be faster or slower? Make a story about your robot. What is the name of your robot? What does your robot do? Does your robot have a friend? What game can your robot play?